Guys, we will have a massively important daily close tomorrow because our weekly candle is about to close, and I can already tell you, depending on what price level this weekly candle is going to close tomorrow, I will take massive action on my $4 million worth of Bitcoin long positions that are almost in a 7-figure profit at the moment, and I want to make sure to keep as many profits as possible. And I have to tell you guys, we have the potential of a huge dump coming during the next week, so make sure you stick around till the very end of this video so you can keep your eyes on the same price levels as I am keeping an eye on, so you are prepared for the next big price move of Bitcoin for sure. So let's not talk too much, let's just jump right into the charts. As you guys can already see, I am in the new office now that I'm sharing with Crypto in our new villa. Sadly, the audio is still echoing immensely. We will make sure to install some carpets, maybe some styrofoam on the walls, so you don't hear this echo anymore, because I think this is very important. But for now, guys, I just wanted to update you from my PC as usual and make sure that I don't have to upload videos only from my phone, because I know that you guys support them a lot. I mean, every single video of mine reaches 3,000 likes. By the way, yesterday's video didn't reach 3,000 likes for some reason. Guys, let's keep the momentum going. Let's smash 3,000 likes on this video today. Make sure to subscribe, activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and also leave a comment down below and share the video with the share function of YouTube. This supports me the most. But like I said, let's not talk too much. Let's just jump right into the charts. I will make sure that the audio quality gets better from now on each and every single day by adding carpet, styrofoam, and so on, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video. But let's just jump right into the charts. I want to talk about the crucial weekly candle close that we are going to see tomorrow evening. And if we take a look at the weekly candle, you already know, guys, I already told you in the beginning of the week that it's going to be very important that we close the weekly candle above the $51,000 level, because this is the price level where the weekly downward sloping resistance line is crossing the actual price, and also our 8-year support and resistance channel has this upper sloping resistance line at this exact $51,000 price level. So for now, guys, I can already tell you, as long as Bitcoin stays above the $52,000 level till the end of this week, everything is still looking very bullish. The only thing you always have to be prepared for the next 2 weeks at least is a drop down to $52,000. A drop down to $51,000, $52,000 is definitely possible for the next 2 weeks before our supports actually climb at that high that we won't reach the $52,000 level for a very long time again. So guys, make sure to now be very, very, very careful, especially with the smaller time frames, because as you guys know, on the daily time frame, we still have a lot of VPVR resistance above us. So this is not confirmed yet. Even if we are closing the weekly candle above the $51,000 level, I think it's very, very possible that we could even see a huge dump during the next week if we are not able to break above this very important VPVR resistance here, this horizontal volume support and resistance, right? And for now it's still resistance because we are below it, and we have to break this first before we can even think about a new all-time high. The possibilities that we are going to do this during this week, so today or tomorrow, I think are fairly low. I think we have the best chances with the new weekly candle, but I have to tell you guys, I even expect with the weekly time frame, Bitcoin loves to do that, is that Bitcoin first dumps with the weekly candle and then starts pumping again, and then we have the body of the candle opening around this price level, right, as usual, but we have a small wick down to the $51,000 level to confirm the breakout to the upside. Sadly, it's not really possible to draw nice candlesticks here on TradingView, but anyways, I think you are getting what I'm trying to show you here. If we go to the smaller time frames, I mean, we don't really have any chart patterns that could help us break this VPVR resistance right now, and that's why I'm so careful at the moment, and I'm not opening new long positions or scaling my trades up massively. I think the only reasonable thing to do is to scale up the trades back up again as soon as we break our current high for this rally at around $56,000. I think the $56,000 level needs to be broken before we can expect any bigger price moves for Bitcoin. And even after we break that, I still expect that Bitcoin will need some time to break through this big VPVR support and resistance zone. And after that, for sure, we will break the all-time high. And after that, it's very, very possible that we just skyrocket to the price target of our big cup and handle pattern here on the 2-day chart, I think it's very possible that we will just skyrocket to this price target. Actually, we won't take a lot of time. I think after we leave our all-time high behind us, and especially this VPVR horizontal support and resistance, the Bitcoin bulls shouldn't have a problem to reach the price target of approximately $75,000 for this cup and handle pattern in maybe a matter of a week, or even only in a matter of days. But now let's have a final look on the smaller timeframes to find out if there's anything at the moment that tells us a little bit more on the direction we are going to head for the Bitcoin price in the near future, so on the smaller timeframes. And I have to say, guys, we confirmed a break, or we had a breakout, even a confirmed one, out of this rising wedge to the upside, which is a very bullish sign, and pretty much this rising wedge got invalidated as soon as we broke to the upside out of it. So now we pretty much only have this bull flag left in our Bitcoin chart, and we have to agree that Bitcoin broke out of this bull flag, and we are right now seeing a beautiful retest. We also saw a very small W pattern here, and alone this W pattern alone has a breakout target. Let me show you, and we right now are bouncing of the neckline of this W pattern. This W pattern actually has a breakout target, let's take a look, of around $55,800, and I think at this point in time we could even say that we have another W pattern here on the 1 hourly time frame, and it's actually this W pattern here. This one is not as nice as the other one, but still, as soon as we break the $56,000 level, we pretty much have a confirmed breakout out of this W pattern as well, which has a price target. Let me show you the price target for this one. It is actually a price target of $58,500. So this would mean that with this bullish price target, we would cross almost every VPVR horizontal resistance, volume weighted resistance that we have in this exact moment. So let's just keep an eye on the Bitcoin price for now. On the very smaller timeframes, I think we have to stay above the $54,000, $700 level pretty much. We have to stay above the $54,700 on the 1 hourly time frame, and we need to break the $55,800 level as soon as possible. So this is actually only a $1,000 pump, and we have a price target, a bullish price target at the moment of approximately exactly this price target that we have to reach and then break to the upside. So on the smaller timeframes, everything is still looking more bullish than bearish. I expect Bitcoin to continue its rise to the upside, and like I said, the $56,000 level is definitely a level as soon as we close a daily candle, or even maybe already a 12-hourly candle above this price level, I will make sure to scale up my trades. And for sure at the $60,000 level, as soon as we see some rejection there, I will take some profits. And my bearish price level is just the $52,000 level. I expect a bounce from the $52,000 level or the $51,000 level in the worst case. If we break below both of them before the end of this week, I think it's looking very bad for Bitcoin, because the weekly candle would then close with a massive wick to the upside below very important resistances. We would even start forming here a big M pattern on the weekly time frame. This would be just a very, very bad look for Bitcoin, and we would need to expect a big correction to come, sadly, till the end of the year. As I said, I think this is highly unlikely. I don't expect the weekly candle to close below our chart pattern right there, but still, we should always be prepared for every situation. So like I said, if we close the weekly candle below the $51,000 level, it's time to take some profits. It's time to scale the longs down. But for now, on the smaller timeframes, everything is looking bullish, and the chances of us breaking $56,000 to the upside are definitely higher than anything else. And as soon as this happens, we have a confirmation that the bull run will continue, and we will at least reach around $60,000. So in my opinion, it makes sense to scale the trades up in this exact moment. Either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to smash up a like. Don't forget to subscribe, activate the bell. Let's reach 3,000 likes on this video here again. Until the next video, I will try to fix the audio and this echo as best as possible. See you in the next one. Bye.